Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I hope you will like it, and this is something new that I have tried. Thank you for joining, and let's get started. Enter this URL in your web page, that is chat.openai.com. So this is the official website of ChatGPT. Once you do that, this is how the web page will look like. And at the bottom, type your question. So here I have typed create a VBA code to copy and paste data from one Excel worksheet to another. Here I could have stopped here only, but I wanted to be specific because while giving command you have to be specific, otherwise it will give you generic code and not specific to your requirement. So I went ahead and typed further after comma create a new sheet if not available. After entering, the ChatGPT will first analyze your query as shown in on the screen, and this is very helpful actually. The one shown in green, it is just interpreting your query in its own language. If this is correct in green, meaning that your query has been understood correctly, and the code that it will generate will have specific and custom fit to your requirement. Now if you see, it has started typing the code literally line by line. Finally, it has given us the code in the black box. Now look at the bottom shown by this arrow. This AI is also giving us the explanation how this code is written. It is also telling us where and how we can change as per our requirement. Also giving us notes if you want to copy and change the entire sheet. You can change the range. Here if you see in this Excel workbook, on sheet 1 tab I have some data for the sake of testing, and there is no sheet 2 here. Now let's copy the code from GPT AI. Sorry guys for the background noise. And after that, once I paste it here, you will see that all the annotations and narration which is in green also given here. By looking at this code, I can easily say this code is going to work because there is error handling also given here. Now let's test it to see if this works. I haven't made any changes to this. Wow, this is working. It's created sheet 2. Wow, this is mind blowing. If you see, sheet 1 data is copied to sheet 2. It also created sheet 2 which was not present earlier. This is great stuff. However, if you ask me what about the future, will it replace, I think it's a long way and we cannot comment right now. However, at some extent this is going to impact definitely. So that's my take on this guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. This is my first video and I've tried my best. Hope this is helpful. You can definitely use this AI website for asking and creating custom codes as per your needs. Instead of searching on Google here and there, you have a platform. It's like a search engine where you can customize your result output by giving commands in plain English. Like, it's as easy as recording macro in Excel file. Thank you so much. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.